Hi, this video is going to help you adjust a very tight clip-on earring. So here we have the earring component. This is the part where the dangle is for the earring. If we open it up, this is the part that is at the front of the earlobe. This one is at the back. Now, as we can see here, this is pretty tight. So the way that we can open that up a little bit is to simply open the earring up. Take your finger and thumb, and on the hood here, we're just going to pinch it in slightly, very gently. And then we can snap it closed. See if we can make some more adjustments. If necessary, you can try it on your ear. If not, give it another little press. And then that should give you some more wiggle room and comfort level for your earring. If after you've pressed the hood part in and pinched it slightly like this, if it's not fitting loose enough for you, you can also adjust this side of the earring, but you have to do it very gently. So holding the earring open, you're going to hold at the hinge and just gently pry it open, just very slightly, and then see if that works better. That feels a little bit better. I'm going to try a little bit more. Take your time with this because you don't want to overdo it, because you're putting pressure on the U-bend here. Okay, that seems a little better. One more try. Okay. And there we go. Now we can see a nice little gap between the two pressure points here. So that's another way that you can also adjust this earring. Again, just go very easy and very gentle whenever you're pulling on the metal. So here is an earring clip that may have gotten a little too loose over time that you can also adjust to make a tighter fit. So this is the front of the earring. This is against the earlobe. This is the pad that'll be at the back. So what you can do is open up the earring and carefully hold the back. Put your finger in there and just gently press around your finger. Give it a little snap tight to see if it's any better. It's slightly better, but we can try again. Open it up, put your finger in there, just gently squeeze. If you do this too much, it will snap the earring, but if you do it gently, it should be just fine. Again, I might want it a little tighter, so let's try that again. And there we go.